Good morning, everyone. Today I have taken a trade, but there is I got exited cost to cost because it's been taken long time. Something unusual from our regular timings and market structures and all those things. So I don't want to take risk. So that I got exit from the cost order. The entry price is 153 and exit price is also at 153. So here, a very most important thing is uh, what to say. You have to know when to not trade. That is a very important thing as a trader. This is what I can say. And today only one trade, as I mentioned, and which is not any profit with this. We have 0.00 today. So that's all. I believe you understood the point what I'm trying to say here. That's all for the day, guys. Thank you. We'll see you on Monday. Bye.